Alright, so we're going to take a look at similar figures. Go ahead and make a tab called similar. Pause the video and copy that down, obviously when you can see it. So for examples, go ahead and pause it and copy it down. Alright, so other shapes similar. So what does similar mean? Similar means same shape, same angles, and the sides are proportional. So these have the same angles because they have 2, 2, and then 1, 1 across from each other. It's the same shape because it's a slanted square, a rhombus. Alright, and sides are proportional, that's what we need to check. Remember, the sides being proportional means that they have the same ratio. So let's go ahead and set it up. I'm going to do figure to figure because that's a little bit easier when you have this kind of questions. Alright, so I'm going to do small to big, so 24 to 36. So 24 equals 36. And on the other one, the same thing, small to big, so 18 goes with 27. Remember, you have to keep the order exactly the same. Then go ahead and cross multiply. So 27 times 24 and 18 times 36. This is a listening check. Put a circle around example 1. 648 and 648. So are they proportional? Yes, because they're exactly the same. Or you could do it a different way. Instead of cross multiplying, you could go ahead and just divide. So if you divide 24 divided by 18, you'll get 1.33 repeating. And if you do 36 divided by 27, you'll get 1.33 repeating. So again, they're still proportional. Or you could do it one other way, which is just by simplifying the fraction. So what goes into 24 and 18? 6 4 times, and into 18 3 times. What goes 36 and 27? 9 4 times and 9 3 times. So 4 over 3 is equal to 4 over 3. Yes, it is. They're proportional. So 3 ways of proving proportionality, depending on how the question asks you to do it. And then these are the steps. 1, are the shapes the same? That's what you always have to ask yourself. Are the shapes the same? Number 2, are the angles the same? So sometimes they trick you and put like one arc, and then on the other figure they have 2 arcs. They don't have the one. So make sure you're looking. Number 3, set up the proportional ratio. The order matters. Number 4, cross multiply. Whichever one you think is easy, actually. Cross multiply, divide in the calculator, or simplify. This is a listening check. Color in the box around the number 4. Number 5, the same number means proportional, which means similar. So if you get the same number equals the same number, it means proportional, which means similar. And very, very, very important, you must check all sides. I know you can't see that, but it's must check all sides. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Are these similar? So remember, you ask yourself, are the shapes the same? Yes. Are the angles the same? Yes, no, because that one has 1 arc and those ones have 3. So I already know that this isn't similar without doing any kind of work, but I'm just going to prove to you that the sides are not going to be proportional. This is a listening check. Put a box around the word no. Alright, so let's set it up. I'm going to do the first figure. I'll do figure to figure. And I'll do the horizontal line, small to big. So small to big will be 24 over to 48. And small to big horizontal lines, 23 to 43. Then I'll do the cross multiplying one, but you remember there are 3 ways you could do it. Cross multiply, so 24 times 43, 1032, 23 times 48, 1104. Are those 2 numbers the same? No. So they are not proportional. So they are not similar figures. Another example, is the triangle TUV similar, and that's a symbol for similar, to triangle DFE? And it's just like congruency with this actually. They've given you the similarity statement. So all you have to do is find the letter that you're looking for. So U is the one in the middle, and it goes with the one in the middle on the other. By telling you that two triangles are similar, they've already told you that the shapes are the same, the angles are the same, and the proportional ratios are the same. So because we already know that, we're going to find where U is, which is in the middle. This is a listening check. Underline example 3. And the order matters. Well, one piece of information that you need actually is all triangles add up to 180. So to find the missing angle in FDE, I can just say 180 minus 91 minus 59, and that will give me 30. So that missing angle is 30. Alright, so 180 minus 91 minus 59 equals 30. Alright, so let's work this out. So my similarity statement, I'm looking for U, which is in the middle. In the middle, the other one is F. So whatever angle F is my answer for U. So the measure of angle U is equal to 59. Alright, let's take a look at our last example. Again, they've given you the similarity statement telling you that they're similar. So now you just find it. So GH in that order is represented by RQ in the other triangle. So GH is RQ. So we need to make sure that our proportion has GH and RQ. And so let's do a side to side. And we're going to start with what we're looking for, which is GH. So GH is X. And GH goes with RQ, and RQ is 16. And then we need one more piece of information, but this other triangle is missing one, so we have to use that number that they give us, which is GF or FG. And so that goes with the first and second, which is SR. So 6 goes with 12. Once you have that out, cross multiply and divide. So we're going to get 12 times X, which is 12X, and then 6 times 16, which is 96. This is a listening check, color side to side. Divide both sides by 12. X is equal to 8. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's practice. You've got me suffocating.